Running with some zones, know a couple lopes in Miami Vice. Still will never zone, none of the bros. 40 autos tiptoeing on the road. I'ma keep it going, never slow down in the yellow light. And I hope you know it, but I don't fuck with you now. There ain't no chance of you running back, trying to fix a patch, trying to make it right. You got something to say, tell it to the Lord, bitch. I'm talking cold, that 50 cold thief in the night. They just try to throw shots at me, so I had to roll the dice. Wait.
Hey Bands fans, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a hair review on Tinashe hair. And the wig I got was, it's a water wig. It came with this. Open it. It comes with 2 wig caps and all of their information. And it has their Instagram, Facebook, and all their social medias on there. And when you open it, it tells you all about the hair and how to take care of it and all of that good stuff. So I already have my own wig cap, so I'm not going to be using these, but it's good to keep these around because I'm going to be needing them, because no beauty supply stores are open. You could just wet the wig and it'll become like curly, more curlier. It's not going to be poofy like that. This is human hair. I got this in 14 inches because I wanted to try a short style on myself, because like, why not? This, it doesn't shed like that. When I put my hands through it, it don't shed. Like, well, it has minimal shedding. It's very easy to comb through. And this, I think this is a 13x4. This is how the lace looks, like this, and the inside. It has 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and 2 combs on each side. So yeah. So that means that you could part like basically a side part. You could put it up, half down, and it looks really natural. I think this is 140 density. I don't know. But this was $92.11. I have my Chic Bond. And what you want to do is just shake it and then apply it. Now what you want to do is just let it dry. Alright, so when everything is dry, you go in with your scissors and you cut until you get to your desired place that you want to put your lace at.
Yeah, say you gotta ride for me. I said I heard that before. Said that you won't lie for me. I said don't say that no more. Said that you would not hurt me. I think that should hurt me more. You put me wrong, baby girl, now we gon' go.
Put me wrong. You put me wrong. You put me wrong, that's what's going on. You put me wrong, now we gon' go.
I would rather for you to put it on your bolt cap, for you to put it on here. It's gonna go inside of it, and it's gonna, like, if you don't have powder foundation and you have this kind of foundation, it's gonna go inside of it, and it's gonna go in the hair, and the hair is gonna look all tacky and weird.
They say everybody mean it when they say it, so it's fake. You was there for me when I was driving, trying to see it first, so we can keep that in the past. Enemies on the 6 to me, no, they don't never last. I'm a 10 on a fence, nigga, no, I don't wear bands. It's like everything without you, it made me feel sad.
So when you have your foundation all on your bolt cap, you're going to get your wig. My wig thing came off. Might be looking like a baldy. I forgot to tell y'all that it comes with adjustable straps. You could adjust it. It's big head, small head friendly. Okay, this look cute. It's like, nah. So you're gonna line up your lace with the not the end of the lace, but like the top, like where the hairline starts. You're gonna line that up with your bold cap. So I'm just gonna spray. Oh my gosh. This lace glue is supposedly waterproof, so we're gonna tie this up. So after you line it up, you see where you want to put it at, where it looks good on you, where it fits at. You go in with the lace glue and you just apply it. You apply like a little amount. You don't apply like a lot. Oh. You apply like on the edge. You see how natural this looks? Okay. Yo, this is so poofy. I love this hair. This is like the best wig I had so far. Now, since this is dry, now you're gonna cut in the middle. You don't want to cut too far, but you just want to cut a little. And one right here. But don't cut too far. Just cut like 2 inches. Well, no, not 2 inches, like 1 centimeter. More like 5 centimeters, like that. Cut in a zigzag motion.
Ask me who I say the name, they say still. They say still. Tryna put some diamonds on your neck, little baby, you know everything.
Alright, so I cut this off and I cut the earpiece off off camera. Freaking my talking about. I cut the other piece off camera. And I'm gonna cut this, show you how to cut this earpiece. You have to cut as small as possible, because if you cut too much, that's it for your wig, baby girl. That's it. So I'm just gonna clip this down. This is not glued down yet because I want to make sure that everything is good before I glue it down. So
Cause he still do this. Yeah, do it like it's sick, call me Mr. Sandman. Niggas federal bureau trying to investigate us. Niggas tell me I'm lying, I can pull out the paper.
when you're all done with your lace, you want to brush out some of the hairs that got in there and you cut away, and you don't want any shedding. So, cause girl, when you go out and you brush your hair and that shit go on the floor, girl, let me tell you, that's the most embarrassing moment. That would be like, girl, you got a cheap wig. Your wig is cheap. But meanwhile, it's not really cheap and you're not really shedding because you forgot to comb out the hairs. Alright, let's do some edges.
I get to that check, wait. I don't want relations with you, baby, we just vibing, yeah. They say how you sounding, I be sounding like a diamond. Baby, give me knowledge, give me edges like a bounty. I've been ducking from the county, they say that they got a bounty, yeah. It's only real niggas around me, you wasn't down, you wasn't around me when I was down and out. Wait, 30 side on my waist, if a nigga want smoke blood on his face. They want me dead or alive for the money I make, but I can't even take me. Nigga, I'm not the one you should play with. Give it a tip like a waitress, got it going in and shot like a taser. Give me the now that she real. Bitch, I'm hotter than a demon from hell. Scream my name in the air like a bell, yeah, yeah. Hitting that bitch from the back while I'm in it, I'm blowing checks, yeah.
Alright, we done with the edges. I don't really like these edges. I don't like this one especially.
Get used to it, I can adapt, ayy. I don't know, you don't reach on your head, you ain't getting no dab, ayy. That ain't my bitch, but she all I see is so I guess she is that.
Okay. Not it. No. Oh, I think I like these edges. Alright, so this is the final look, and I kind of like this. Like, I highly recommend this hair. All you have to do is just put some oil on top of it before you put the water, and then you put the water so it could just stay. I'm trying to make my thumbnail from here. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to put the link down below to the hair, the direct link, so you could go buy this hair.